case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a 1998 case, Cheesecake Factory Inc. v. Baines, the Court of Appeals of New Mexico, focused on the concept of partnership by estoppel. John Baines was held liable for a debt incurred by a sports bar, Triple's American Grill, as a partner by estoppel in a court case against Cheesecake Factory. The company extended credit to Triple's American Grill based on representations made by the manager. But Baines claimed he didn't know about the partnership, and Cheesecake Factory shouldn't have relied on the representations made. The court applied the New Mexico statute on partnership by estoppel and entered judgment against Baines, causing him to pay the owed amount and appeal the decision. However, the court upheld the judgment against John R. Baines in favor of Cheesecake Factory Inc. for goods delivered to Triple Threat Inc.'s restaurant, explaining that partnership by estoppel didn't require reliance on a partner's membership and allowed rebuttal of a defendant's financial responsibility. Consequently, Cheesecake Factory received attorney fees and costs on appeal.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class